Good morning, students. Yesterday we solved some of the problems based on relative lowering of vapor pressure. Up to 30 questions we solved, and today we will continue the next problem. First, calculate the mass of a non-volatile solute of molar mass in bracket molar mass 40 gram per mole, which should be dissolved in dissolved in 114 gram of octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%. This is the question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್, ಏನೇನು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅದಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ given datas molar mass MB is 40 gram per mole. Molar mass of non-volatile solute is given. Then MA is also known because octane is given, and octane means 8C8 H18 is the octane, and its molar mass is also 114 gram per mole. Then weight of WA is also given, 114 gram of octane. ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 40 how much of ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ non-volatile solute should be dissolved to reduce its vapor pressure by to 80%. 80% means ನಾವೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, WB ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Then PA naught is 100. Let us consider it is 100 mmHg, and P is reduced to 80%. 100 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 80% ಆಗಿದೆ, that is 80 mmHg. These are the given datas. ನಾವೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೈಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು 80. Now PA naught minus P by PA naught is equal to WB by MB into MA divided by WA. Cross multiplying, therefore WB is equal to PA naught minus P divided by PA naught into MB into WA divided by MA. Substitute the values. PA naught is 100 minus 80 divided by 100 into MB is 114 into MB is 40, WA is 114 divided by MA is also 114. This get cancelled. This is 20 into 40 divided by 100. This is equal to 8 gram. 8 gram of non-volatile solute is dissolving in 114 gram of octane, and to reduce its vapor pressure by 80%. 80% ಯಾವಾಗ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ 8 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೈಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 114 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಟೇನ್. ಆಕ್ಟೇನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 114 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಟೇನ್ದೊಳಗೆ 8 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ನಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೈಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು 80%. Next is 32. Calculate the vapor pressure of a solution containing 9 gram of glucose, 9 gram of glucose in 162 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. The vapor pressure of water at 293 Kelvin is 17.535 mmHg. In this problem, the given datas are 9 gram of non-volatile 9 gram of glucose is dissolving in 162 gram of water. Both solute name is also given and solvent name is also given. 9 gram of glucose and molar mass of glucose is 180 gram per mole, and 162 gram of water, molar mass of water is also known. Then the vapor pressure of water at 298 Kelvin is given. Pure water vapor pressure is given and vapor pressure of the solution is to be calculated. Solution. Given datas, first one is WB is equal to 9 gram, MB is glucose means its molar mass C6H12O6, molar mass is 180 gram per mole. Then WA is 162 gram and MA is 18 gram per mole. Then PA naught is also given, that is 17.535 mmHg, and pressure of the solution is, vapor pressure of the solution is to be calculated. Now by using formula PA naught minus P by PA naught is equal to WB by MB into MA divided by WA. Substitute the values here. 17.535 minus P divided by 535 is equal to WB is 9 gram into MA is 18 divided by MB is 180 into WA is 162. This is 10 and 17.535 minus P is equal to 0. This is also cross multiplied into 17.535 and this is 0.093974. Therefore, ಎರಡು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ P is equal to 17.535 minus 0.0974. Therefore, vapor pressure of the solution is 17.4376. 17.47 17.4376 4376 mmHg. In this relation ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ direct ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ these are the given datas and this is also given data and this is ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 17.535 minus P. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ and this value is 0.0974 and to transfer this and here P is equal to 17.535 minus 0.974. The final answer, the vapor pressure of the solution is 17.34. Andre total vapor pressure of the solution is less than that of pure solvent. Pure solvent ಕಿಂತನೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ. Okay. Next is vapor pressure of pure water at 298 Kelvin. At 298 Kelvin is 23.8 mmHg. Full point. 50 gram urea is dissolved in 850 gram of water. Calculate calculate the vapor pressure of water for this solution. And its relative lowering. And its relative lowering. There are two questions are asked in this problem. Vapor pressure of pure water at 298 Kelvin. Vapor pressure of pure water is given, that is 23.8 mmHg. 50 gram of urea is dissolved in 850 gram of water. Calculate the vapor pressure of water in this solution. ಆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ದೊಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ವಾಟರ್ದ ವೆಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ವೆಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಲೋವರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ P0 - P by P0 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ WB is 50 gram urea. Urea means MB is equal to 60 gram per mole. Its molar mass of urea is 60, NH2CO NH2. Then WA is equal to 850 gram of water and molar mass of water MB is 18 gram per mole. Then PA0 is given that 23.8 mmHg. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. P is and PA0 minus P by PA0. These are the ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆರಡೂ ನಾವೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ವೆಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ or vapor pressure of the solution, and this is the relative lowering of vapor pressure. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. In this first one is PA0 minus P by PA0 is equal to WB by MB into MA divided by WA, and this equation is PA0 is 23.8 minus P is equal to WB is 50 divided by molar mass is 60 into MA, sorry here MA is 18 divided by 850 into 23.8. ಇದನ್ನೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. ದೆನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್. P is equal to, this answer is 0.42. Therefore P is equal to 23.8 minus 0.42. Therefore partial or vapor pressure of the solution is 23.38 mmHg. Final answer for this is 23.38 mmHg. And second one is relative lowering of vapor pressure. Relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to PA0 minus P by PA0. Substitute the values. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ. P is calculated 23.8 minus 23.38 divided by 23.8. Therefore relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to 0.0176. This is the relative lowering of vapor pressure. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ next is 34th question. A solution containing 30 gram of a non-volatile solute, non-volatile solute in 90 gram of water has a vapor pressure of 2.3 kilopascal, sorry 2.8 kilopascal at 298 Kelvin. Further, 18 gram of water is added, 18 gram of water is added to the solution. When the new vapor pressure becomes 2.9 kilopascal at 298 Kelvin. Calculate, first one is molar mass of the solute. Second one is vapor pressure of water at 298 Kelvin. These are the two questions in this problem. In this problem, what are the given datas? Given datas ಏನೇನದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 90 gram of water ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 gram of non-volatile solute is dissolved. In this, the vapor pressure of the solution is 2.8 kilopascal, and further to this solution 18 gram of water is added, ಅಂದ್ರೆ dilution ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. After dilution the vapor pressure of the solution is increased to 2.9 kilopascal. Given datas, WB is 30 gram, then WA is 90 gram, and these are the two given datas in the first solution. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಇದು ಒಂದನೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ದೊಳಗೆ ವೆಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೈತಿ, ಎರಡನೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ದೊಳಗೆ ವೆಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇಷ್ಟೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ದ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 18 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾರ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ತು. WA1 is 90 gram and WA2 is 90 plus 18. This is equal to 108 gram. This is second solution though. And weight of the solute remains constant, that is 30 gram. This adna ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ P1 is 2.8 kilopascal. Kilo means 10 raised to 3 pascal. And P2 is 2.9 into 10 raised to 3 pascal. ಇದು ಒಂದನೇ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ವೆಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್, ಎರಡನೇ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ವೆಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. ಬಟ್ ದ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 30 ಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, these are the given datas, and MA is also known, that is 18 gram per mole, because solvent is water and its molar mass. ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? MB is calculated, molar mass of solute, then vapor pressure of the solution. PA naught is also vapor pressure of water is calculated. Let us consider for first solution. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ for the first solution, ದೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ PA naught minus P divided by PA naught is equal to, the P value is given, that is 2.8, and first relation by PA naught minus P divided by PA naught is equal to WB by MB into MA divided by WA1. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ಚೇಂಜ್. Then substitute the values. PA naught minus 22.8 kilopascal hange barutte, divided by PA naught is equal to 30 divided by MB into MA is 18 divided by this WA1 is 90, and this equation becomes PA naught minus 2.8 divided by PA naught is equal to 5 by MB, sorry 6 by MB. This is equation 1. Then for the second solution, for the second solution ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅದ? ಓನ್ಲಿ WA1 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ A2 and P is 2.8 becomes 2.9. PA naught minus P divided by PA naught is equal to WB by MB into MA divided by WA2, or this is P2, this is P1. Then PA naught minus P2 is 2.9 kilopascal. PA naught, this is equal to 30 divided by MB into 18 divided by 108, and PA naught minus 2.9 divided by PA naught is equal to 5 divided by MB. This is equation 2. These are the two equations. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2. Ilenpa antandre equation 1 by 2 ma. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, equation 1 by equation 2 means PA naught minus 2.8 divided by PA naught get cancels, PA naught minus 2.9, this is equal to 6 by MB, 5 by MB. 6 MB denominator get cancel, then 6 by 5. This ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂತು. And cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ PA naught minus 2.8 into 5 is equal to PA naught minus 2.9 into 6. 5 PA naught minus 16 8 40 14 14 is equal to 6 PA naught minus 4 6 17.4. Then transfer ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 6 PA naught minus 5 PA naught is equal to 17.4 minus 14. Therefore PA naught is equal to 3.4 mm Hg. This is the vapor pressure of pure solvent water. Vapor pressure of pure solvent ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ second one ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು calculation ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then this is the vapor, the pressures are given in the kilopascal. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ mmHg ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is the 3.4 kilopascal, and this value is substituted any one of the equation. First ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ second ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Substituting the value of PA naught in equation 1. equation 1 ಅದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 3.4 minus 2.8 divided by 3.4 is equal to 6 divided by MB. Therefore MB is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 6 into 3.4 divided by 2.8 divided by 0.6, 0.1. Therefore MB is 34 gram per more. This is the final answer for this question. And these are the problems based on relative lowering of vapor pressure. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಲೋವರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. Next is problems based on elevation of boiling point. Second colligative problem property is problems based on elevation of boiling point. This is a second colligative property, and to solve the numerical problems based on second colligative property elevation of boiling point, some of the formulas to be remembered. First formula is delta T B is equal to, or delta TB is nothing but elevation of boiling point. Elevation of boiling point delta TB is equal to TB minus TB naught. The boiling point of solution is higher than that of boiling point of pure solvent. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು. Then second one is delta TB is directly proportional to molality of the solution, and delta TB is equal to KB into M. Then substituting the value of molality in this expression, delta TB is equal to KB into WB by MB into 1000 divided by WA in grams. This relation in the ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ molar mass is calculated, that is MB is equal to KB into WB into 1000 divided by delta TB into WA in grams. These are the some important formulas are generally used in the calculation of elevation of boiling point or molar mass of non-volatile solute by using this colligative property. Okay. Next problem is problem number 35. The boiling point of benzene, the boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin when 1.8 gram of a non-volatile comma non-electrolyte solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene, comma the boiling point raised to 354.11 Kelvin. Calculate molar mass of the solute and Kb for benzene is equal to 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole. This is the given data. This problem is asked in the theory examination more than 2 times. This is a very important problem. Same values, same problem. 2ರಿಂದ 3 ಸರಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್, ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಇವು ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ first is boiling point of benzene, pure benzene. Tb naught is equal to 353.23 Kelvin and boiling point of the solution Tb is equal to 354.11 Kelvin. From these two values, first we have to calculate the molar elevation of boiling point is calculated. Elevation of boiling point delta Tb is equal to Tb minus Tb naught is calculated and its value is 0.88 Kelvin. Tb minus Tb naught ಇವೆರಡು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ elevation of boiling point ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.88 gram. Then Wb is 1.8 gram. Wa is 90 gram. ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, Mb is to be calculated and Kb value for benzene is given, that is 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole. These are the given data. Now from the elevation of boiling point relation, that is MB is equal to KB into WB into 1000 divided by delta TB into WA. ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. MB is equal to KB into WB into 1000 divided by delta TB into WA. Substitute the values. KB is 2.53 into 1.8 into 1000 divided by delta TB value is 0.88 into MA is 90.2, and therefore molar mass of non-volatile non-electrolyte means non-electrolyte ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, this solute neither associate nor dissociate in the solution. And the final answer for this question is 57.5 gram per mole is the molar mass of non-volatile non-electrolyte solute for the question. Molar mass ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 57.5 gram per mole. Next question is on dissolving 2.34 gram of non-electrolyte solute in 40 gram of benzene, comma, the boiling point of the solution was boiling point of the solution was higher than benzene by 0.81 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of solute. Kb for benzene is 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole. This is the problem. Here ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, given datas are WB is given 2.34 gram, then WA is given, that is 40 gram, then delta TB directly given, that is 0.81 Kelvin. Kb value for benzene is 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole, and we have to calculate the molar mass of non-volatile solute. These are the given datas. Then from the relation MB is equal to Kb into WB into 1000 divided by delta TB into WA. This is equal to Kb is 2.53 into Mb is 2.34 into 1000 divided by delta Tb is 0.81 into 40. Therefore, the molar mass of non-electrolyte is 182.72 gram per mole. This is the final answer for this question. Based on elevation of boiling point, relative lowering of vapor pressure ಮೇಲೆ problems complete adu, then these are the, and this problem is also asked in your theory examination more than 2 times. This is also very important, same values, same problem ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 times ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, next class we will solve some more problems based on elevation of boiling point. Thank you.